Hey guys, welcome back to another ITworx tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that very annoying problem when you're trying to delete, say, a folder and ask you for permissions and you say, yep, continue. You put in your password like so, and then it says access denied. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix this problem and hopefully it can help you. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your folder and right click it and go to properties and security, and what we want to check first is who is the owner of this folder. So the way you do that, you go to advanced and you want to check at the top, and currently it says system is the owner. Now whoever you're logged in as, like for example I'm logged in as ITworx, that's my user account. Now as you can see, I'm not the owner of this folder, so I want to change that. Now just keep in mind, if you are the owner of this folder, like if you go here and the person that's logged in, if you're the owner, you don't have to change anything here. All you have to do is go back to this box and go to edit, and you want to click on your user account. So say this was it, for example, and then you just want to tick these boxes to make sure it has full control, and then you'd click OK and OK again, and hopefully you should be able to delete your folder there. But like me, if you're in my situation and you're not the owner of this folder, you'd want to change that first. So all you do is you click change, and you might be asked for permissions. It might say yes or no, so you just click yes, or just type in your admin password. So you just put that in, and then it's going to want to ask you to put in the user account that you want to make the owner. So for example, my account would be ITworx. I can click check names, and there it is. Now if you can't find it there or you're not sure, just go to advanced and just find now, and it'll just show you all users and groups on your computer. So you can just look through here and try and find your account. There's mine there, and just select OK. And then once you've got it, you just click OK again, and then make sure you tick this box at the top where it says replace owner on subcontainers and objects. So that'll just make sure that it basically changes the owner of all the folders and files inside that folder. So just make sure you tick that and just click apply and click OK and OK again and OK. All right, then we're going to go to properties again, security, advanced, and what we're going to do now is change the permission entries. So these are just extra user accounts that is related to the owner, and we want to actually just remove all of these. I found that much easier because sometimes there's like 10 of them in here and each one has like different permissions, and it just gets really confusing. So the best and easiest solution is just to disable the inheritance of all of them and just add yourself back in. So you want to click there, click on select a principal, add whoever the owner is, so ITworx, add myself there, click full control, click OK, and then you want to take this box in here saying replace all child object permission entries with inherited permissions. So basically it's just changing the permissions of this. So I got full control, I got ITworx, and it's going to apply that to all the subfolders and files inside your main folder. So just click apply, click yes, click OK, click OK again. And now when you try and delete it, it should just delete, just like that. So if you have any more questions about this or concerns or something's not working, just leave in the comments below and I'll try and answer that if I can. I'll definitely be making more in-depth videos about this sometime in the future because obviously there's a lot more errors that can sometimes occur and you might not even be part of the administrators group and things like that. It will just cause us different issues. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Again, I hope it was helpful. Do subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you next time.